Are you tired of overspending at the grocery store? What if I told you there are 15 amazing foods at Aldi that are not only budget friendly, but also top notch in quality? Stay tuned because I'm about to share my go to Aldi picks that you'll want to stock up on every time you shop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a treat for you. If you're an ALDI fan, or even if you've never shopped there before, I'm going to share my top 15 Aldi foods I always buy. These are items that I keep coming back to for their quality, affordability, and convenience. If you're looking to save money without sacrificing taste, this video is just for you. 1. Frozen veggies. Let's start with something you can always find in my freezer. ALDI's frozen vegetables. Whether it's their peas, broccoli, or stir-fry blends, these veggies are high quality and perfect for adding to any meal. They're super affordable, and you can keep them stocked up for a quick and healthy side dish anytime. 2. Sweet baby carrots. Speaking of healthy snacks, ALDI's sweet baby carrots are always in my cart. They're sweet, crunchy, and perfect for snacking on during the day. They're also super affordable and last for quite a while in the fridge. 3. Organic eggs. ALDI's organic eggs are some of the best you'll find, and the price is unbeatable. They're always fresh and perfect for breakfast or any recipe that calls for eggs. Plus, if you're looking for a more sustainable option, their organic eggs are a great choice for specially selected Gouda cheese. If you love cheese like I do, you have to try ALDI specially selected Gouda. It's creamy, rich, and perfect for sandwiches, crackers, or just snacking on its own. The flavor is top-notch, and the price is way lower than most grocery stores. 5. Simply Nature Organic Peanut Butter. Peanut butter is a pantry staple for me, and ALDI's Simply Nature Organic Peanut Butter is my go-to. It's smooth, made with just peanuts and salt, no extra stuff, and the flavor is so much better than other brands. I love it on toast, in smoothies, or just as a dip for fruit. 6. Kirkwood chicken breasts. When it comes to meat, I always pick up Kirkwood chicken breasts at Aldi. They're juicy, tender, and perfect for grilling or baking. Plus, they're so affordable compared to other brands. 7. Fit and Active Yogurt. For a quick and healthy snack, I love Fit and Active Yogurt from Aldi. It's low in fat, high in protein, and comes in a variety of delicious flavors. I always grab a few cups for breakfast or a midday snack. 8. Happy Farm string cheese. If you're looking for an easy snack, you can't go wrong with Happy Farm string cheese. It's portable, delicious, and the perfect portion for a quick snack between meals. Plus, it's a great way to get some extra protein in your day. 9. ALDI's Bakehouse bread. Fresh bread from ALDI's Bakehouse is a must for me. Their bread is soft, flavorful, and comes in so many varieties. Whether your mit's always a good choice. 0. Simply Nature Organic Tortilla Chips. For those snack attacks, ALDI's Simply Nature Organic Tortilla Chips are a go-to. They're crispy, crunchy, and go perfectly with salsa, guacamole, or queso. Plus, they're organic and better for you than most options. 11. Season's Choice Frozen Fruit. Smoothie lovers, this one's for you. Aldi's frozen fruit is so affordable and comes in a variety of mixes like tropical fruit, berry blends, and more. They're perfect for a quick smoothie or as a topping for oatmeal or yogurt. 12. Earth Ground Veggie Burgers for vegetarians or anyone looking to cut down on meat. ALDI's Earth Grown Veggie Burgers are a must-try. They're packed with flavor and hold together well when you cook them. I love them on a bun with all the fixings. 13. Milvelotes. If you're a fan of oatmeal, Milvelotes from Aldi are a great choice. They're affordable, hearty, and perfect for breakfast. I love adding cinnamon, honey, or fresh fruit to mine for extra flavor. 14. Aldi's granola bars. Looking for a quick snack that's both healthy and tasty? ALDI's granola bars are packed with wholesome ingredients and come in a variety of flavors. I always keep a box in my pantry for a grab-and-go snack. 15. Market fresh salsa. And lastly, if you love salsa, you have to try Aldi's Market Fresh salsa. It's fresh, tangy, and packed with flavor. It's perfect for chips, tacos, or even as a topping for grilled meats. Hash 1. Start with a clean slate before you begin organizing. Clear out the clutter. Pick one area to focus on, like your desk or drawer, and clear everything out. This makes a huge difference in how you feel when you walk into that space. Tip number 2. Set specific goals. Set clear, achievable goals for each area you want to organize. Instead of saying, I want to get organized, say, I want to organize my kitchen by the end of the week. Tip number 3. Use a planner or calendar. Keep everything in one place, whether digital or physical. Write down deadlines, appointments, and important dates to avoid scrambling last minute. Tip number 4. Time block your day. Use time blocking to schedule chunks of time for tasks. Instead of saying, I'll work on this later, give yourself a set amount of time each day to tackle it. Tip number 5. The one in, one out rule. Whenever you bring something new into your home, get rid of something you don't need. This keeps your space clutter-free. Tip number 6. Declutter regularly. Set aside 15 minutes each day to declutter one small area. Over time, it becomes a habit, and your space stays neat. Tip number 7. Invest in storage solutions. From shelves to baskets to drawer organizers. Good storage solutions help you keep things in their place. Tip number 8. Go digital. Digitize your paperwork. Scan important documents and store them securely online, reducing the need for physical storage space. Tip number 9. Use labels. Label everything. Whether it's your kitchen cabinets, storage boxes, or files, labels help you stay organized and find things faster. Tip number 10. Simplify your wardrobe. Declutter your clothes. Only keep what you wear regularly. The less you have to choose from, the easier it is to get dressed in the morning. Tip number 11. Create a cleaning schedule. Having a cleaning routine makes the task less overwhelming. Dedicate a day or two a week for deep cleaning, and keep daily chores short and simple. Tip number 12. Prioritize tasks. Make a list of your tasks and tackle the most important ones first. Don't get stuck in the small stuff that doesn't make a difference. Tip number 13. Break down big projects. Big projects can feel intimidating. Break them down into smaller, more manageable steps to avoid procrastination. Tip number 14. Set deadlines. Even for personal tasks, set deadlines. This will push you to complete them on time and keep you accountable. Tip number 15. Organize your digital devices. Clean up your phone, computer, and email inbox. Unsubscribe from unwanted emails, delete old files, and organize your photos and apps. Tip number 16. Use the 5-minute rule. If a task will take 5 minutes or less, do it immediately. This prevents small tasks from piling up. Tip number 17. Automate repetitive tasks. Use apps and technology to automate routine tasks like bill payments, grocery shopping, or reminders. Tip number 18. Make a to-do list. Daily or weekly to-do lists help you stay on track and prioritize what needs to get done. Tip number 19. Keep a journal. Write down your thoughts and tasks in a journal. This helps clear your mind and keep your priorities in focus. Tip number 20. Build a morning routine. A morning routine sets the tone for the day. Start with small, positive habits like making your bed, stretching, or planning your day. Tip number 21. Organize your finances. Track your expenses, create a budget, and make sure your finances are in order. An organized budget can reduce stress. Tip number 22. Create a master checklist for big events or ongoing projects. Make a checklist of everything that needs to be done and keep it visible. It keeps you focused and on track. Tip number 23. Delegate tasks. You don't have to do everything. If you can, delegate tasks to others to lighten your load and stay more organized. Tip number 24. Organize your email inbox. Set up folders and filters to keep your email inbox organized. Unsubscribe from unnecessary newsletters to cut down on clutter. Tip number 25. Focus on one task at a time. Multitasking can make you less productive. Focus on one task at a time to do it better and faster. Tip number 26. Prioritize self-care. A clear mind leads to better organization. Schedule time for yourself to relax, recharge, and distress. Tip number 27. Limit social media. Set limits on social media to avoid distractions. Use apps to help you track your screen time and stay focused on your goals. Tip number 28. Meal prep. Plan your meals for the week and prep them in advance. This saves time and reduces the stress of last-minute cooking.